Guys, it is Sunny as always, and I wanted to say that you at this point have probably seen the E, you've most definitely seen the A, but did you know that we have a third car in our collection? It is not like the others, it's actually probably the cheapest car in Europe. It's a Ford hatchback. So I'll let you think about it while we get to it, and tell me in the comments below, what do you think it is? Well, we're here now, and are you ready for the reveal? Welcome to the family, the Ford Fiesta. The reason I'm speculating this could be the cheapest car in Europe because it was about 80 euros, so as much as you get for it at a scrapyard, and it's still functioning, it still runs. Well, we'll go for a drive in a bit, not on the road, it's not really road legal, but around the lot, that should be enough. Now obviously the looks can say one thing, but let me go deep into the features of this car. They could be things that you don't have in your car. First up here we have some pretty interesting fenders and side skirts. They come finished in rust. It's a pretty rare option, but this car comes fitted with it, so yeah, take that, Corolla drivers. The paint is a mesmerizing green. Yeah, I mean, it's green. It's a Ford hatchback, two-door, green paint. I mean, what else do you need? The roof is steel, as you can hear. I mean, this bad boy can fit about 1.5 people, I'd say. A lot of steering wheels nowadays come wrapped in Alcantara or leather, but have you ever seen a tape wrapped steering wheel? I mean, it's as grippy as it gets. I can attest to it. The seats have this beautiful finish coming straight from babushka. This is probably called babushka cloth when it came, and it shows a little bit of wear, but it's nothing too bad. Exposed fuel cap. And it has, it's a Volkswagen Audi cap? What? Either way, it's an exposed cap, so you don't even have to deal with the tapping and, the thing not opening. You just what the fuck? You just undo this, and you should be able to feel it, but yeah. Another cool feature about it is that if you don't know how much fuel you have, you can just feel it out, and I feel like this actually is pretty empty, so we'll go fill it up soon. It comes with very sticky master grip winter Semperit? Yeah, Alpine proven, what can you say? The keys, you may ask? Well, first off, we have this interesting Ford accessory thingy, and we have the main key, and then we have the secondary key, which doesn't have that button, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's not a secondary key, maybe it's a different key. Being a hatchback, it probably has very good trunk space. Give me 1 minute. Maybe we can use the second key that is here. It doesn't seem to rotate either side. Looks like we'll have to get from the back. Oh, the engine, you may ask. Well, it doesn't have like an interior latch, or I mean, it used to have, but now we just do this, and you have, wait, need to, there you go, and you have this. I am not sure what this is. I don't know how many cylinders it has or how much power it can produce. Oh no, look, wow, I'm so dumb. This is a 4-cylinder, look. Cool, so it's a 4-cylinder with a very leaky transmission, and it's very smelly. Oh my god. Yeah, it has a very assertive thump when you let go of it. You know that this is Ford quality. Guys, I've just discovered this. Oh, it doesn't want to do it anymore. Well, at least this door closes, which is an amazing feature, because this one, it doesn't really want to close, and I generally don't know what to do to it. No, It's gonna be a bit of a problem driving this. Getting inside, have a POV at this. I can get used to this. Another cool thing about it is that if you don't like the radio, you can just take it out. That didn't work out as planned. I didn't expect this to happen. Oh, here you go. I just have to press a button and you can just put it there. Fuck it. You have a very interesting climate control. Let's make it very cold out here. And it is currently 12 and 12 minutes. A couple of hours ahead, but now for the big moment. Let's start it up and see if it even starts up, hopefully. Okay. It's fine. It's living. It's living, boys. Oh, I maybe don't want to rev it too hard. Without any hesitation, let's take it out for a drive. I mean, I can put on my seatbelt. I'm not sure if it'll help much. The buckle is all the way down there. Hey, there we go. I feel very protected. Let's put it in gear. Maybe here? Well, if I miss it, it's going to be catastrophic. Okay. It connected and it seems to be going backwards, so that's a success. I have no left mirror. Oh, okay, that should be enough. Put it in first, re-steer it. No electrical steering, so we're working out today. Yes. No, you're fine. Yeah. No, it's fine. Come on. You can do this. Okay, great. I need to turn it around though. We're pulled up to the station. Let's neutral, handbrake. We made it alive. Let's put some fuel in it. This time you will do. Come on. Come on. You silly bastard. I'll be back in a bit. We put a grand total of 1.5 liters. Hopefully it should last us for a bit. Should be good enough. Yeah, it feels more full now. By the way, our fuel gauge is pretty broken, so we don't know. Okay, it's alive. She purrs. Some revs for the boys.
Or maybe you don't want to rev it too hard.
We're not even gonna bother to put on the seat belt anymore. We're just going bad boy mode. And it's running. Like, let's try to go into second now if I am ambitious. It did go into second, but yeah, maybe it's better if we go into first back. Let's go up here. It smells very good inside. You have the, you know how Mercedes has the perfume that you put and it blows through your air conditioning? This has another form of perfume, and it's not from the air conditioning, it's from the exhaust most likely, which is great for car enthusiasts, right? Let's go back now. Absolutely no visibility. Oh, I'm not sure what that noise was. Right. Well, I don't see any problem with this. It's amazing. Oh. We God damn it. Oh, look how smooth it opened. Come on. Oh, is this first? Hopefully. Let's pray it's first. It is! Hey! Steering is precise as ever. And my gear shifts, man, I haven't lost it. you'd think that if I drove automatic for so long I would forget, but no, not at all. Oh my god. Well, we can say we left a legacy. Well, it's always a good feeling when this starts up the first time. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Fine, first. That's the first. Oh, it's rose. We're in first gear. We're always slowly. This says gas. You have to give it a little bit of gas. And we're rolling. I'm just driving around this gas station. It's the only place I can drive it because, yeah, everywhere else I would go to jail. Let's just say that. Yeah. Ignore that. I might need to drive with one hand and hold my door with the other. Oh, that shows my hand strength. My goal now is to actually put it into second, try to start off slowly. Come on, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. I believe in you. Going through wall, but we've gone into second, boys. Let's not make the door open again. I'm finna whip this, oh. Oh, that didn't sound good. Let's place it well for the finale. Hey, no, don't die on me. Come on, man. Guys, we'll have to put an end to it here. It kind of died and I don't want to just restart it again just for another couple of minutes. I'll let it rest. That was the third car in our collection. It's a Ford Fiesta, I guess. If you know what it is, please let me know in the comments. But the story about it is, my dad saw it pull up in the gas station. He was running and like it was legal, if you can believe it. The owner wanted to sell it for scrap, so my dad offered him the same amount of money that the scrap yard would give him, and now he got this car, and it runs, you know, when you want it to run, it runs, and it can do a lot of things, such as me fooling around in it. It's undoubtedly been a lot of good memories, and I'm talking about it like it's going to go, but it's doesn't get driven as much. One of them I remember, before I had a car, I texted my friends like, guys, my car came. I know I didn't tell you about it, but I got a car now, and it's a green Ford 2 doors hatchback. And obviously they came in, they saw this, and I gave them a ride still in it, and they barely fit in the back, but it was alright. It's dark now, and I'm using my phone's flashlight to have some lighting, so I'll end this now. I'm not good at outros, you might have figured that out. Well guys, hope you liked this video, and if you did, let me know. If you thought it was crap, also let me know. I like to have conversations with you guys, so if you comment something you already know, I will reply to it. Subscribe if you like what you see, and other than that, see you.